Yes, good day, my beautiful people. Good day, good morning, good night. Depends where you're watching this video, depends on the time. Yeah, man, welcome to St. Thomas, Jamaica. Yes, my beautiful people. Today we're gonna jerk some chicken back and gungo rice and peas. So stay tuned, watch what I go and do. Remember to like the video, subscribe to the channel if you're not yet subscribed. Leave a comment, be off on what you love, you know. Yeah, man, welcome to the channel. Vybz 39, don't cuss, we don't quarrel. We just deal with wrong and right. Yeah, man, that is it. So stay tuned, guys. May I bring on a shop with me? Check it out. Yeah, man.
Wandering on the beach, the ocean sprays, the birds speak. We look inside and rise in peace, eyes open to realize hope as we walk in beauty wherever the path leads. Creator is guiding me through this journey. That's all I need. Warmth beneath my feet as I look into the skies. Tears fill my eyes. And love fills my mind. The drum sounding so astounding, heart pounding with relief, ears open to catch the lessons, my fingers counting my blessings. I believe with time and effort.
Yeah, man, nice, calm place, beautiful people. Welcome to Yeri Castle St. Thomas. That is it. We bring on at the shop with the people, so all we can catch, we are catch, you know. Yeah, man, embracing natural country of Jamaica. Yeah, man, that is it. Some nice house around here, too, you know, people. Yeah, man. Whole heap of natural ambience. In Jamaica, you guys can come enjoy, you know. So stay tuned what's going on. We in our community, St. Thomas, here Castle, you know. Yeah, man, big up to all the people who build up the community, see them way. You know what's going on. Yeah, man. No joke. People live up the same way, you know, guys. Yeah, man. Natural life. No joke. Yeah, man, natural living, huh? That is it. Yeah, we're going to the shop, People there around us are seeing me, you know, people. But we go in this direction we're bringing them. We're going to the shop, apple tree, spring water, you see that, guys? Yeah, man, spring water run gone down to see them here. No joke. Key alongside more decent house I build up on the place. That's how I go on, people. That's how I go on. Check out the channel. Vybz 39 is embracing natural living at Jamaica. Look at that, see for the next side if you don't want to go in the camera until evening. Can subscribe to my channel, please. Vybz 39 on YouTube. Thank you, Edit. Yeah. Vybz 39 TV. Okay. Yes, my people, check out the natural living in the countryside, the country life. Nice. Yeah, man. Look there. Yeah, man, the place cool. No joke. Yeah, we almost reach the stop in our Vybz massive. We almost reach the shop where we are go buy some things from, you know? Yeah, man. That is it. No joke. Evelyn. Yeah, we reach the shop. Vybz massive. Yeah, man, we reach the shop. Yes, my people, see me reach on the shop here now. Right, so. Here we can see a little bit after you pass the primary school. So if you go into the Bath Fountain, St. Thomas Bath Fountain, easy, quick stop, you know? Yeah, man, come grab anything you want. In here, sir. In here, sir. Anything you want, my people, just come stop right here, sir. The lady name Miss Lila. So just stop, buy what you can buy and enjoy the nice cool breeze when you're passing by, you know? Yeah, man.
Yeah, man, Miss Lila from a pin to anchor right here, man.
Right here, sir.
Yeah, man.
Alright, so I give them a look. Bracer in the embrace of the nice, pretty clothes, man. Shoes, slippers, same way. Yeah, my people, right here is the right stop. Yeah, man, right on the main road going to Bath, St. Thomas Bath Fountain. Yeah, man, so just come stop, buy some nice things. Yeah, man. It's a massive. Nice, ripe banana and no fertilizer. Put to right. You hear that? You hear that? How much you want right here, sir?
$10.
You hear how much you can get it right?
$10 for your banana.
See that? And about two in it already.
$10 for your banana.
$10 right here, so you stop right here, so right here, so when you go into St. Thomas Bath Fountain. Yeah, man, nearby the barber shop right there, so if you want a decent trim up yourself right at the barber shop. Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
Yes, my beautiful people, checking what you are going. You set on the gungo peas already, so I'm going to show you what I go on. And me also light up the jerk pan and I go jerk the chicken back then, you know, so watch
we
what
look
I go.
inside
Yeah, man.
and rise in peace, eyes open to realize hope as we walk in beauty wherever the path leads. Creator is guiding me on this journey. That's all I need.
Yeah, man, people, if I catch up, you know, I can go and catch up,
tears
and we scatter
fill
him
my
out,
eyes,
and fix him
and
out.
love
Back him.
fills my mind. The drum sounding so astounding, heart pounding with relief. Ears
See
open
peace,
to
man,
catch
for
the
you.
lesson.
Open him.
5 fingers counting my blessings. I believe
The
with
chicken
time
back
and
well
effort,
seasoned up them
we
peeps.
can achieve.
Rice, butter, coconut milk. Yeah, man, cover and back. I couldn't see what going on in the rice pot, you know. See them people? These are boil it one sink, you know, so I'm going to go throw some water in there and let him make him go and boil and boil and boil and no. Yeah, man, so that is it. Lock him back. Yeah, man, that is it. You know, my people, yeah, man. Joke. See, man. Clean up the ends, my people. Clean up around it. Okay, no? Yes, so we are going to sink the peas now, my people. Throw some more water in there, you know? Make them go down and boil again. So you see them gone down? Yeah, man. And then come up again, we sink them again. Make them boil soft because I dry peas, you know, the green one we did want. That is it. Yes, my beautiful people. I go turn, fix, lock down the jerk pan and wash the rice, put in the pot. So before I lock it, I show you what I go on, you know? Yeah, man, that is it. Yeah, man, so that's what I go on, my peeps. And then go and catch color, then return them, you know? Yeah, man. That is it in a hot head jerk chicken buck. What go on Sean in a one for you? Or a bread you want? No more bread you want, man. I tell you, while up that one for me, when I go with bread? And see how evening now. Yeah man, shout out to all my viewers and subscribers them across the world, you know. Big shout out to you all. God bless and cover you over the weekend. May you all stay healthy, have a great week, you and the family. Yeah man. Yes, my beautiful people. I'm going to go ahead and season up the gungo rice and peas. So stay tuned, watch what go on. First thing going in, my beautiful people, a teaspoon of sugar. Next going in some salt. Next going in coconut powder. So we're gonna leave this to boil now, my people. We're gonna half cover it, make it go and boil. We're gonna check back on this now. Ooh, hot peeps. Nice man. I'm going now up close. Look, my beautiful people. Look there. Look there. Ha 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 ha. Hey boy. Yes, my people, stay tuned. Watch what I go on. Put in the rice in the pot, you know.
Yeah, that is it. Cover him back. Yes, some people may have some ketchup water here, so I go cool down before you know. Yeah, man, I'm going to wicked. Move him to your front a little. Yes, my people. Ship sailor now, you know. So watch what I go on, people. Move. Yeah, man, my beautiful people. This is the finish, you know. Gungo rice and peas and jerk chicken back. So this plate is for my dad. I can't go give him. And this plate is for me. So when me can't go give him and come back and see what I go on.
Yo, may I tell you? Acha. Acha.
Yeah,
I find you good.
man. Yeah.
Oh, bad.
Yes. Checking my beautiful people. So see what I go on. Take off and look up his show. Nice. That is it. So stay tuned for the next epic video coming, guys. Thank you very much for the video. So just leave a comment, leave a like, share it, you know. See you in the next one.